Got him. Get the net. Look at that mother. Got a keeper. Ready? Oh my That is what we came here for. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. No. I doubt he measures. No. You gonna go around me? Yeah, I'll go. My co-angler said if you follow us around all day, he's gonna beat Roy's ass.
Yeah. They had the same idea, brother. Found out for us.
He said he would beat your ass, but you'll probably fall and get hurt anyway.
I doubt that. I doubt if I'll do anything. Fuck out there by 2:30.
Net. Oh. That's a long, skinny son of a.
Long in there.
One time on.
Hey, I ain't gonna blank this sucker out.
Have you pulled them call balls out of there before you toss that down in there? Just toss them in the floor.
Hey. Won't take long about that, I think. That's a keeper small nowadays. That's on the board stuff.
Oh. I don't know. I think so, but let me check him. Oh, just barely.
That's all you need is a barrel.
Just a barely. Yeah. You know what I forgot to do? It's minnow maker. It's the same exact.
That's the GGs.
Yeah.
Good boy.
He's back in there.
It takes long to do it. Man, he's fast.
There's a green one.
That thing come out of there like a banshee. It can ruin you like anything else, I reckon. Sometimes you just gotta be versatile. And you can usually tell as far as the steel. You hit a couple pieces of steel and if you don't get a bite on something, then yeah. Well, this one's taking on there. Net.
Nope.
You pulled you back down, didn't you, bud?
Yeah, I knew there was a fish there. I knew it.
Good job, Patrick.
Make sure.
There's your big spot. Well, I thought you were done. And then you pulled,
Well, I was.
you pulled down, then I seen the rod bouncing.
I knew he was on there. I didn't know if he would stay. This thing broke.
Nice spot, man. Good job.
This fucking thing, yeah.
Help you out. A little teamwork. That was a spot, wasn't it?
Yeah. You wouldn't imagine what I caught that on. Little jig.